DK388 with a phone unboxing of the OnePlus Nord 2 5G. I've been keeping an eye on this phone to replace my long-term Nokia 7 Plus from 2018. A very solid and capable for a 4-year-old phone. It's just starting to show its age with only 4G data and a basic main and 2x telephoto camera setup, even with Zeiss optics. Infact the Nord 2 unboxing was shot with the Nokia. Two reasons for the new phone is looking for 5G support and improved main camera setup backed up with an ultra-wide lens are the primary motive. Other secondary features include dual stereo speakers and improved processing power and memory. Not too fussed about the AMOLED screens or refresh rates as it's not used for gaming. Another phone under contention was the Poco F3, very close with the triple camera on the Poco, though very balanced with the main, wide and macro format. Just missed out on the mighty IMX766 main Sony sensor with OIS on the Nord 2, which sold it, even though the F3 was slightly cheaper option of the two. Well, enough of the backstory, let's get into it. As you can see, purchased this on Amazon as they had a good deal on and saving £100 compared to a well-known phone retailer. No problems with delivery to a local Amazon locker unit and original seal still intact. I'll summarise the spec on the right. This model is the Blue Haze version. They do a grey, but this one's not on promotion, and there is a Pac-Man special edition but was cost prohibitive. Main outline features are the processor, MediaTek Dimensity 1200 AI over Snapdragon, 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage with no expandable SD slot. 50 megapixel AI Sony IMX766 camera sensor with OIS. Accessories in the box with a soft clear gel case with a pattern design. Some bump marketing material and SIM injector pin. Chunky warp 65-watt charger. Technical peeps is the input-output loads. Here's the size of the charger when plugged in, 6 cm deep, 5 cm wide and 3 cm tall. USB type A and C cable, about 1 meter long end to end. Unwrapping, on the left side we have the volume rocker control, bottom dual nano SIM card, a microphone, a USB-C port and a main speaker out the two. Right side with the power button and the quick switch alert slider. On the back we have the triple camera setup. On the front we have a 32 megapixel front selfie camera. Bit of camera rot due to the bump and slightly better with the gel case. And you can see the pattern design on the back. Summary of phone functions from the leaflet. Weight, we have 191 grams, height 159 millimeters, width 73 millimeters, and diagonal 160 millimeters. Thickness is 8.25 millimeters. Operating system is Oxygen OS 11.3 based on the Android 11. It's pretty stock and clean with little to no bloatware installed. Next video will be a long-term review and camera tests. Thanks for watching.